Today we got a 2018 Nissan Titan V8 Endurance Edition. Fully loaded, 4x4. What we got done on it was it has the original converters right here. This truck comes with 4. 2 on this side and 2 on this side. There's the back 2. Then it's true dual into a Magnaflow muffler, 14-inch body, dual in, single out, and then it goes into a 3-inch tailpipe and a double tip. So we'll let you guys hear it in a minute, see how you guys like the sound. There's the 14-inch Magnaflow on it. Come out really nice with that double wall tip, dual tip right there. Hope you guys like the sound. Wow, that Magnaflow it's the Platinum Reserve Edition. These guys are really clean. That's the old muffler right there that we took off. Nissan Titan 2018, beautiful body style. There it is. What I like about the Magnaflow is it's not too loud, too not raspy, it's just a clean, deep sound. And that's how it's done.